how to restore archived messages on Messenger. To do this, you have to make sure the application is completely up to date to the latest version, and then to begin with, make sure that you're connected to internet service. Then to begin with, open the Messenger application on your device. This is how the interface is going to look. Next, you then need to tap on the menu bar from the bottom left corner of your screen, which will take you to the settings page. So right under settings, you could find the archive section. There you have the archive. Now, what you could do is, in order to save it or to restore it, just long press to the chat, just like that, and then you could go and click on unarchive, and this is going to help you out to restore archived messages on Messenger. However, if this is not the case, then you could also go to Facebook and download the Facebook data. So to download the Facebook data, open the Facebook and tap on the Messenger or the menu bar from the top of the page and go to settings and privacy. After you go to settings, once again click on the settings button. Then here you could find these Facebook data, which you could go ahead and download. It's going to take a while, but you will be able to restore your chat. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.